Hello everyone and welcome to our comparison video of Brother MFC J1205W Inkjet printer and HP Smart Tank 6001 printer. If you're in the market for a new printer and can't decide which one to get, then this video is for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. If you're looking for a printer that doesn't break the bank, then the Brother MFC J1205W is the winner. At just $99, it's almost $160 cheaper than the HP Smart Tank 6001, which is priced at $259. In terms of features, both printers are pretty evenly matched with wireless connectivity, mobile compatibility, and all-in-one capabilities. However, the HP Smart Tank 6001 has automatic two-sided printing and borderless printing, which the Brother MFC J1205W lacks. The Brother MFC J1205W has an ink system that allows up to 1 year of continuous printing without needing replacement cartridges, while the HP Smart Tank 6001 comes with up to 2 years of ink bottles, making it perfect for low-cost, high-volume printing. When it comes to print quality, both printers deliver outstanding color graphics, photos, and crisp text. However, the Brother MFC J1205W uses re-engineered ink cartridges that hold more ink than traditional cartridges, ensuring uninterrupted printing. The Brother MFC J1205W's mobile app is simple to use and has easy on-screen menu navigation for printing, copying, scanning, and printer management from your mobile device. However, the HP Smart Tank 6001's app includes 1 year of additional advanced features. And that's our comparison of the Brother MFC J1205W Inkjet printer and HP Smart Tank 6001 printer. Both printers have their strengths, and it ultimately depends on what features you prioritize in your printer. If you're on a tight budget, then the Brother MFC J1205W is the clear winner. But if you're willing to invest in a printer that has all the bells and whistles, then the HP Smart Tank 6001 is for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and comparisons in the future.